Okay, well, it's been snowing all morning, and we've got like an inch on the ground and 2 inches on the grass. And it's been snowing for the past 7 or 8 hours. Reason being is because the sun angle on March 21st is like a mid to late September angle. And the sun rays, even though there's cloud coverage, could still get through it and heat up the pavement. So that's why there's only been an inch on the ground. And yet it's been snowing all morning. If this was January, we would have about 3 to 5 inches so far on the ground. But due to the late March sun angle, it is limiting the accumulations just about everywhere. Now, once the sun goes down later, we will probably start to pick up the snow accumulations, as it is expected to continue the snow till about midnight. So that's the reason why there's only like an inch on the ground. Is that freezing rain over there? Let me check the radar, actually. Here's the radar.
Across New Jersey. All right, what a day today for late March. Here we've got this major storm, the fourth.
We got some heavy bands coming.
Storm in the month, and this one really doing a number on.
Yeah, we got some bands coming. So I'm gonna check if that's freezing rain on that tree over there. It's freezing. It's like a slushy. It's definitely a few inches. This is freezing rain, I think. No, it's not. It's just like snow. It looked like freezing rain. It's not. It's just like snow. See, the buds started coming out on this tree. So with this event, I'm gonna wind up probably like close to a half a foot, maybe. So that's the story.